What's going on YouTube? Hey, sometimes this happens. And it's actually a function of your municipal water supply or your well pressure. Sometimes the pressure goes higher than normal. So, if you have a traditional ball cock and float toilet, the thing that happens is your toilet can start running. So in this case, this is actually happening right now. So here we have a traditional, ball float. And when it comes up, it turns off the toilet. Well, normally it works just fine, and this isn't an issue. But for some reason, right now, today, it's just running. So why is that? Well, the short answer is the pressure coming through the water supply line is greater than the pressure applied by the float. And now that can be for a few reasons. One reason is if your float has a leak in it and it loses some of the air, it could be riding lower, it could be applying less pressure on the rod. Now some people will advise you, and I've seen this and it boggles my mind, they'll advise you to come in and just bend that float rod, kind of grab it and tweak it down, and that'll put the float lower. And that could work, but that's not the right way. As you can see right here, there's an adjustment screw. It's got variable slottage even. You can put a regular, or if you had a Phillips, either one works. So it's just whichever you got. In this case, I have a regular screwdriver, the shortest one I could find apparently, and I'm just going to give it a little tweak, and then we'll flush it and see if it takes off. This is a Mansfield toilet flush design. Sometimes there's like a chain down to a flacker. This one is kind of a tube sort of design. That's essentially doing the same thing. See, the water level there is getting up near the top, and once it gets over the top, it overflows. Well, see there, it's still overflowing. Oh, shut up. Okay, well that's still, I don't like it to be that high. So let's go ahead and give it, about another quarter of a turn. And this time we're gonna crack it open. Just until it really goes. I don't want to wait all day for it to refill. All you want is about a quarter inch or so below where it overflows. So we're going to give it about an eighth of a turn. I think we're just about where we want to be. Kick in. Okay. Kick in. Yep, there you go. Perfect. So now it's kicking out before it overflows. So also, if this tube is not, depending on the design, sometimes the upright is a little different looking than this. But you want that tube to go down into the the upright tube. Because as it's filling up, a little bit of water is going down there, and that's what, refills your bowl. So, all right. Well, I hope you learned something, and I hope you enjoyed this video. It was, just a little how-to that spur of the moment. The toilet was overflowing when I came in here, so I grabbed a screwdriver and tried to teach you. Go ahead and subscribe to the channel. We got all kinds of things that we can learn together, and we're gonna continue doing that. Keep on doing it. Talk to you later. Have a good one. Look at this. What are you guys doing? This is not your dojo. Vicious dogs. Practicing to protect my life. I appreciate you. Happy New Year. Move along. Hey, go. Move. Act. You don't even know what that means. Oh, yeah, that means lick my fingers. Get out of there. Anyway.